clay here for everyone that says it won't do it in clay. For all the haters. That's some clay right there. Can't get enough.
No, I can't. Well, and it just makes my job easier. And like these retaining walls, we used to build these walls with a pallet fork, and it just took forever. And it's like we would build them and then we would have 100 hours bid on a job. And I remember when we first bought that machine, it was like, well, see what happens. And we built it, and it was like, I saved 40%. You know, I was like, I did it in 60 hours instead of 100 hours. So that was incredible. The transformation of our company, just like the way we bid jobs. And I was able to capture all those plants with a nice sized root ball with this grapple and grab, put them in a pile, drive them over here, and then dig a hole, plant the plant all by myself essentially. And I just had guys kind of doing handwork around it. But that would have been a day's worth of work, and we did it in like 3 hours. And when we invested in this tool, it was like that became the money maker, and this becomes the assistant.
Yeah.
And it just moves stuff around.
Yeah.
But that thing is doing all the lifting, transplanting plants, moving concrete. And so people use an excavator with a thumb, which is, it works, but it's definitely not as efficient. No. And it just takes longer. But
can't get as nice of a product either, you know?
No.
With those, you can sit and twist them however you want.
It's an extension of your arm, you know? It's
yeah.
like a mechanical hand, so it's pretty fun.
Made here, made better, CMP.